Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mo's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about pop-up headlights. I mean, any 80s car that's worth mentioning has pop-up headlights, right? So, as cool as pop-up headlights are, there is one drawback to them. As you can tell by the body gaps, the gaps are fairly even on the sides and along the hood line. Looks pretty good. But when you look down here at this angle, you can see that the headlight sits down, the buckets are down low. Both sides are like that, driver's and passenger side. But don't worry, very simple fix. It's 2 bolts per side, 10mm bolts. I will get to that right now and show you how to adjust them. This bolt here and this bolt here. They're both 10mm. So all you got to do is loosen these. By pushing up, it raises the bucket. And there you go. The bucket is flush. There you go, guys. Very simple fix. How to adjust the headlight buckets so that they're flush with your bodywork. 5-minute job, not even. Maybe if you gotta hunt for your tools. I mean, it is a 10mm socket that you're looking for, so you might have lost it. But anyways, that's what it takes. 10mm, 4 bolts. Takes a few minutes, and just a little pet peeve that I have, you know, when they're not adjusted right. But that's how I am. Anyways, catch you next time, guys.